Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Emily. What is your name?
My name is David. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old. How about you?
I'm 10 years old too. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a student as well. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. What about you?
I love blue. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English. Can you?
Yes, I can. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Do you?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite flower?
I love roses. What about you?
I love sunflowers. What time is it?
It is 3:30 p.m.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. How about you?
I'm from Canada. Where do you live?
I live in Sydney. Where do you live?
I live in Toronto. How's the weather today?
It's cloudy.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. What about you?
I love pizza. Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis. Do you?
Yes, I love soccer. What are you doing?
I'm drawing.
Have you ever been to Japan?
No, I haven't been there yet.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, here you go.
Can I borrow your pencil?
Sure, here you go.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dolphins.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Can you give me directions?
Sure, where do you need to go?
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, it's so much fun.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I love cycling.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I practice yoga with my mom.
Where is the library?
It's next to the park.
How much does this cost?
It costs $10.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Goodbye.
Bye, David. See you next time.